Hello, everybody, and welcome to誠釱科技, the podcast of Tetronics and AIoT Taiwan 2024. It's Raymond here. I'm very excited because, once again, my guest and I are going to talk about what's going to happen next and what is it there in the future for all of us. And today, we're going to talk about Wi-Fi. Yes, we need Wi-Fi every single day at home, at work, and wherever you go in Taiwan or in other countries. I think a lot of people, the first thing they do is to search for Wi-Fi networks. All right. And so today we got you an Wi-Fi expert and we got QZ, a product marketing director from Alfa Network that is producing some of the best Wi-Fi products and services and solutions in the world with us on the show. QZ, would you firstly say hi to our listeners?
Hi, everybody. This is QZ. Very welcome. Come here. It's my first time for this program. Mm-hmm. Very exciting.
Yes, we're very excited too to have you on our show. All right, and just before we delve into some of the services of Alfa Network, I'm just wondering, QZ, can you just tell our listeners what Wi-Fi 6E or even Wi-Fi 7 is? Give us a Lesson 101 or Wi-Fi 7 for dummies, QZ.
Okay. So actually, Wi-Fi is everybody in your home every day you can use the Wi-Fi. Mm-hmm. So Wi-Fi has several generations.
Yes.
So we can talk the Wi-Fi 5 is now common generation. Mm-hmm. So you can see the Wi-Fi 11N is 4 and the AC is 5. Mm-hmm. So the meaning is Wi-Fi 6 is 6th generation for the Wi-Fi. Mm-hmm. And the 6E is only plus 6 gigahertz. The frequency. So basically, Wi-Fi 6 and the 6E is the same.
Okay.
Only
the same.
Yeah, it's the same. Only the Wi-Fi 6 uses 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. And 6E plus one more frequency is 6 gigahertz. Mm-hmm. It's a Wi-Fi 6. And the Wi-Fi 7 is a new generation. It's beginning the year 2024. Uh-huh. So you can tell this year is the first year for the Wi-Fi 7. Mm-hmm. Now, Wi-Fi 7 is more special with the AI function.
All right.
Plus in the Wi-Fi. Because in the before, the Wi-Fi only just, you can just a radio service. But now with the AI. So you can.
There's a lot more you can do.
Yes, more convenient and more smart for your networking.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so for Wi-Fi 6E, that means that is to open the 6 gigahertz band for unlicensed Wi-Fi use, and it will provide some more times the spectrum available, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
So now we are talking about Wi-Fi 6E. So what is it? What kind of role Alfa Network plays in this kind of a very big environment of Wi-Fi 6E? What are some of the services of Alfa Network?
Oh, okay. Actually, Alfa Network is working in the design house for a Wi-Fi device. Not only Wi-Fi device. If you think about networking, we will produce for this. Mm-hmm. So from the Wi-Fi is our major. Uh-huh. And we have a Wi-Fi 7, Wi-Fi 6, and the Wi-Fi 11H. We call it the Wi-Fi high-low. Mm-hmm. And the Alfa Network is just focused on the new technology like Wi-Fi 7. But why the Wi-Fi 7 is now is our focus? Because the Wi-Fi 7 with AI. So we need more software engineer for some special application. And another application will be the Wi-Fi Hello, even H. Hello is used for the IoT.
Yes.
Internet of Things. So it's a different part. One will be Wi-Fi 7 is used in the home, and the Wi-Fi Hello is used in the worldwide or the special place like outdoor. Yes, yes, we can call it.
Yeah, so apparently you have a lot different kinds of products preparing you for Wi-Fi 7.
Yes.
And you just said that the year of 2024 is the year of Wi-Fi 7. So what can we expect from Wi-Fi 7? What kinds of services or what kind of impact is going to bring to our life?
Okay. The Wi-Fi 7 is a more special spec and application will be you can call it whole home coverage. Mm-hmm. Sometimes you in the home or some room you cannot get the Wi-Fi access because with some the partition too far or some the to make the frequency have some noise.
So you have to have the booster or something everywhere.
Yeah, you need to power line to support it. But now Wi-Fi 7 is without. You don't need to another application. You just open the Wi-Fi 7, so you can make the your whole home coverage or whole area coverage because the frequency will find a way to find you.
Really?
Yes. It's a Wi-Fi 7 special. There is some AI application to find a device where, and they can give a more like we call it a beamforming. They will directional to find you and get a very big or a very good performance for access.
Okay, so you just said this is the whole home coverage.
Yes.
What if your house is very big? I'm not rich, so I live in the small place, so a whole home coverage probably wouldn't be a problem. What if the billionaires, they have a huge house, and does it make a difference to this kind of coverage?
Not need a big house. If you have in a small house, but your friend or your neighborhood or the Wi-Fi will give you some noise, or you cannot get a very good throughput because some AP too close, they will make a noise. So sometimes you open your Wi-Fi, but you cannot get a very good throughput because some people or some AP with more big throughput, they will make your throughput down. So the Wi-Fi 7 will be a good feature. They can make a more cleaner, even you use the same frequency. They will automatically to detect which band is clean and which part is better for you. They will choose the band for you.
So next, let me just go through a few things and see if you have any solutions to that. Okay, QC. The first thing first, the interference, just like Wi-Fi 5 and also Wi-Fi 6 and also Wi-Fi 6E, and there are still some problems with interference. Like they are too close. So any kinds of solutions to that?
Yeah, actually the interference because the frequency is very close. And
5.8 and also 6. Right?
Or too many people in the same frequency. So you will make some noise or some we call it the packet loss for the same frequency. So in the Wi-Fi 7, different than the Wi-Fi 6 and the Wi-Fi 5 will be they will AI to detect the status, the network status. So they will find which one is better for you and which one is more cleaner, and you can. The AP, the access point will automatically detect this one and help you to set automatically. You don't need to go inside the web GUI and find which is clean.
That would be too much work. To be done.
Yes, correct.
And the second thing is coverage. You just mentioned that for outdoors, probably you have a Wi-Fi high-low, right? So, can you give us an idea, like how big of an area it can cover?
Okay. Actually, Wi-Fi high-low is more special for the IoT because this one with more limited throughput, because some device when they use in IoT they don't need too much the throughput. So maybe a 10 15 megabit will be okay. So the Wi-Fi high-low is designed for IoT because the range can to the 3 and 5 kilometer. So the normal Wi-Fi 5 and 6 is just a 200 meter to the 500 meter. It will be the limitation. But in the Wi-Fi high-low they can reach to the 3 to 5 kilometers. As we test in some near the ocean, they can almost line of sight. They can almost reach to the 6 kilometers.
Oh, okay. But 6 kilometers. Wow.
Yes, but the throughput is only the 3 megabyte. It's for the sensor and some not a high resolution camera will be okay.
Okay. Still some room for improvement for sure. So I'm just wondering, for this kind of high-low Wi-Fi, who are the people who are using it? Is it like some people who are doing national defense or for emergency or something like that?
Yes. The special for the real case would be the Olympic game.
Because Olympic Games.
Our product is launched in the Paris Olympic this year, this summer. Actually, because the arena is very big. And some control camera cannot use the Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi only keep 200 meters, 300 meters.
They're just too far away.
Too far. So they use the Wi-Fi high-low to control the camera, the signal to make a special angle or special the player. Actually, they use the high-low to control camera.
Is it able to do that? Because you just said that it could only be used to, convey some, to send some very low resolution pictures and able to control the camera?
Oh, yes. Control camera is only the signals, not the command, not for the program. If the lake need to high resolution program, then
probably you cannot do that.
5G can get a more high resolution and the throughput. But our application only control the signal and the command to make the camera to the which angle and which character.
Yes.
That's only.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
That was good enough for Olympic already.
Yes.
Yeah.
Olympic, and also our customer use in the lake.
Because
the lake is too big, and some place is very far away.
Yeah.
So they without a 4G, 5G signal, but they still need some transmit data when they driving the boat around the lake.
Yes.
They want to the whole signal the lake. So they use our application. Set one AP is near the lake, and the client is in the boat. When they around the boat, the signal is a full signal.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
As long as you don't go too far away from your boat.
Yes.
Then you can have very good connectivity.
Yes.
With this Hello Wi-Fi.
Hello Wi-Fi. Yes.
Wow. Okay. And one more thing. What about security? You just mentioned that especially for Wi-Fi 7, there will be a lot of AI-enabled applications, right? The Wi-Fi will also become very smart. So any kinds of concerns about security?
Oh, yes, of course. Security always is some open areas issue for every people. So even from the Wi-Fi 6, there was a more better security. We call it WPA3. It's more security than the WPA2 and the WPA1, even the WEP. So why the Wi-Fi 7, the Wi-Fi LoE with this application? Because they add more encryption for the security, and AI can help get a more easy to connect, because we call it OWE. OWE is you don't need to set anything. The device will help you to make the password encryption inside. You just open the power on,
and the device would literally do everything for you.
Yeah, automatic AI.
Wow.
It's AI. So you don't need to set the password, which your phone number and something, your birthday number is no. The device will automatically generate the more security number for you. It's easier.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. That sounds very exciting. So when is it? Is it really coming in 2024? Wi-Fi 7?
Even from...
I mean, for people like me, like we're all here, not like rich people, not like Elon Musk. Of course, they have access to Wi-Fi 7 already, but what about people?
Sure. Generic version will have the WPA3. It's a now new application. So from the Wi-Fi 6 with this application. So even they extend the function in the Wi-Fi 7. So you don't worry. The common AP will have this function.
Okay. And just before you go, anything that the government is doing right now to make sure that this kind of Wi-Fi 6E and also Wi-Fi 7 service more available to people in Taiwan?
Oh, in Taiwan, actually, Taiwan is more later than the global country, because Wi-Fi 6E, the frequency is just open maybe 2 years. But in the Europe and US, they almost open in the 5 year. Before the 6 gigahertz. Because with some radar to use. So they in Taiwan government is open more late, but it's okay. It's okay. Now it's already open, so we can use 2.6, 5 gigahertz and 6 gigahertz. 3 band would be okay. Later on, maybe have 7 gigahertz. Later on.
So for 7 gigahertz, are we going to be late again?
Not sure, but maybe. But it's okay. Now the figure 3 frequency should be okay for the Wi-Fi. And later on, we also have the open like this Wi-Fi Hello. They use the 800 to the 900 megahertz. So this one will be also open in Taiwan. This frequency is the same. The Taiwan is the same with some global country. It's for the IoT, so it should be okay. No problem.
Sounds good to me. All right, okay. Seems like there's a lot to look forward to in the future. And we're going to live in a world that everything is connected in a much faster way and more reliable way for sure. Yeah. And of course, you want to find out more new technologies from Alpha, from 6G, from this kind of a Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 communications. And feel free to pay a visit to AIoT Taiwan and Tetronics 2024. That will go from October 23rd to 25th, 2024. And we're going to bring together 230 very leading companies from home and also abroad, showing you many different kinds of technologies in AIoT, in unmanned aerial vehicles, low Earth orbit satellite, LEO satellites, and also startup innovations. And I want to thank QZ for sharing so much with us today.
Thank you. Thank you, Raymond.
Yes, thank you so much. And we hope you everything success.
Okay.
Thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Yes, everyone, it's time again for me to share with you some of the latest tech news from around the world, Tech Snap. And I just talked to QZ a lot about what the future holds for the Wi-Fi 6E and also Wi-Fi 7 even. And so let me begin by giving you a glimpse into what this kind of a Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 can really do, or this kind of next generation 6G technology can really do for all of you. According to the British online newspaper The Independent, a team from University College London, UCL, combined both radio and optical technologies for the first time to overcome the bottleneck caused by frequency congestion. Yes, that is a big problem. With that, they set a new world record for wireless data transmission. Guess how fast? It could go as fast as 938 gigabits per second, roughly 9,000 times faster than current 5G phone networks in the UK. All right. Wow, that's quite something. And it is said that the era 6G, much more advanced networks, will be coming in the 2030s. And so whether or not you could stay ahead, whether or not you could have a say, really makes a very huge difference. And that's what the two superpowers, America and China, are doing right now. They are doing everything they can to get themselves ready as early as possible to usher in the era 6G. So let's firstly have a look at what America is doing right now. The U.S. Defense Department Pentagon Future Generation Wireless Technology Office has literally shifted its focus to preparing for the next wave of network innovation, launching a variety of wireless network development projects. If those projects really work, they could pave the way for more dependable, high-speed, low-latency communication and support the Pentagon's technology interests in robotics, in autonomy, in virtual reality, and advanced sensing, many, many more. And finally, before we go, let's have a look at what China is doing right now. Earlier in July this year, a group of Chinese telecom engineers claimed they just built the world's first field test network for 6G communication and intelligent integration. Really? The network is a platform for research institutions to do theoretical research and initial verification of candidate 6G technologies. And China plans to get the standard setting for the technology done by 2025 and aims to start commercializing 6G technology by 2030. Wow, it's a lot to take in. I think this race towards 6G will continue to give us a lot to see, a lot to observe, and a lot to analyze. We'll keep a very close eye on it. Tech It's Techie. Until next time.